What's going on, everyone? Today we are doing a cabin air filter in a 2018 Mazda CX-5. It's going to be located behind the glove box here, and normally you have a damper right here. On this car it is broken. You can see here the little tab is broken, but normally it's hooked up like this. I'll go back up for you. It's clipped on like right here. All you got to do is pull it to disconnect it and move it out of the way. Now what we want to do is drop the glove box. There's these stoppers here. Push them to the side like this, both sides. Okay. Get them around. Then you can pull the glove box down. You'll see the filter right here. What you're going to do is going to lift up all this tab, pull towards you, and the whole filter will come out. You can see how dirty this one is. It's pretty gross. Here's our new one. Okay, it installs this way right here with this tab facing down. If you need a filter, check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one pretty quick. It's the correct size and everything. Stab that guy back in there, make sure it's pushed all the way back. Close the glove box like that, and then you're gonna get your damper here and hook it back up, and you're all good. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.